Hello students, welcome to SILICA Video Solutions. In this video, we'll be looking at question number 38 from the UC 2023 paper. This is a multiple choice question, which means that out of the four options, only one of them is going to be the correct answer. Let's read the question. Which of the molds shown on the right can be used to make the cake shown on the left? We are going to follow the process of elimination to arrive at the answer. Okay. Uh, Now, one thing to keep in your mind while eliminating these options is that your cake and your mold are going to be exact mirror images of each other, right? Just visualize a cake being pulled out of a mold, right? It is not going to be the same, it is going to be a mirror image, okay? So let's just start eliminating such options, okay? If we look at these cones, there's a larger radius cone and there's a smaller radius cone. So if we look at the same arrangement, we can easily eliminate option A and option B, right? On the right, they have the larger cone and on the left, they have the smaller cone. So A and D are eliminated. Now, out of B and C, the arrangement of cones is properly mirrored, but the arrangement of this shape is not the exact mirror image in option C, right? It is being mirrored on horizontal axis. So it's not correct. So option B is the answer. I hope it was clear and I hope that you'll be able to solve these kind of questions in a better way. So stay tuned for many more such video solutions.